Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Usha Bala. So today I'm gonna show you how to use coffee scrub at home. Okay, first of all we need these things for coffee scrub. So coffee and sugar, honey and any of oil, coconut oil or badam oil or olive oil. Okay, first take 1 spoon of coffee powder and then mix 1 spoon of sugar and then mix 1 spoon of honey and 1 spoon of olive oil or coconut oil or badam oil. Any one of oil you can use this coffee scrub. Okay, then mix all ingredients well. Now apply on your face and neck and give it a circular motions. Please subscribe to my channel guys. Hit the bell icon and never miss another update. Please like all my videos guys. And then please share my videos guys. If you have pimples on your skin, don't use any scrubs. Okay, that is homemade or ready-made. Don't use any scrubs. Okay, please wear old clothes. Avoid new clothes. Okay, massage a little on your under eye area. Don't use the scrub on your under eye area because it is very sensitive area, so just massage a little. Okay. Okay, now scrubbing completed. Okay, now wait for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, then after wash your face or bath. Okay, this is my result guys. Thank you for watching this video.